In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn, if you can dream it, you can do it, into action with Notion and better note-taking. This quote, often attributed to Walt Disney, is more than a feel-good line, it's a practical mindset. It reminds us that imagination is the spark, and determination is the fuel. The core message is simple: every achievement starts as a dream. But the transformation happens when you capture that dream, shape it, and then show up for it consistently. Disney himself reinforced this idea when he said that everything he built started with a dream and a mouse. He also pointed out that while you can dream, create, design, and build wonderful things, it takes people to make the dream a reality. In other words, dreaming isn't the finish line, it's the starting point. Action, systems, and support turn possibility into progress. Here's how to put that into practice using tools like Notion or any note-taking and productivity app you prefer. Start by writing your dream in one clear sentence. Keep it visible, pin it to a dashboard or a homepage, so your why stays front and center. Then translate that dream into projects you can actually complete. A project is the bridge between vision and reality. Within each project, list the next few actions, not everything at once, just what moves the needle this week. Add realistic time estimates and deadlines so the plan serves you instead of overwhelming you. Use tags or separate pages for ideas, tasks, and milestones. Capture new ideas quickly before they drift away, and review them during a weekly check-in. If you're using Notion, create a simple database for tasks with fields for priority, status, and due dates. Link tasks back to the project they support so your day-to-day work always ladders up to your dream. Make it social when it helps. Disney emphasized that people make dreams real, so invite accountability. Share your goals with a friend, collaborate inside a shared workspace, or schedule brief check-ins. Track progress visibly, a progress bar, a checklist, or a habit tracker can keep motivation high. Celebrate small wins, they're proof that your system works. Most importantly, don't confuse dreaming with doing. The quote asks you to honor both. Let your imagination set the direction, then let your plan guide each step. If you can dream it, you can do it, especially when you write it down, break it down, and work it daily.